Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how can you hide your name in Fortnite. Basically, hiding your name is going to change from your name from being your real name, which is like for in my case it's 3M4URY, into something called anonymous and a random 3 numbers generated, okay? So I'll show you how you can do this right now. So first of all, you're going to navigate all the way to the top left corner and onto your settings. Okay, once you're in your settings, you're going to navigate to the last tab over here in your account tab. And once in your account tab, you're going to scroll down after social privacy, gameplay privacy. When you're at gameplay privacy, we're going to skip the first option and then we're going to go on the second option, which is basically hide your display name during regular gameplay. If you have this off, your normal name is going to show. It's going to show on the screen and onto your friends and onto the people you're playing with in the party. But if you switch this on, as you can see over here in settings, it's going to say on replace your name to players who are not in your party slash squad with anonymous, okay, and random 3 numbers generated. So basically, this is how you can hide your name. And yeah, that was all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you later.